Your Amazon PPC costs are not rising. You're just thinking of it all wrong. And in this video, I'm going to go through 3 things that we're doing with all of our clients that has made a big difference with their ACoS, with their cost per clicks. It's bringing their cost per clicks down. It's bringing their ACoSs down. It's making them more profitable. I'm hearing it all the time how unprofitable brands are now, and they think things are changing, but they're not changing. They're just shifting, and you have to shift with them. So let me go over those 3 things. Number 1, and this is something we've been doing for the last 10 years, and it hasn't changed since. It's called my clean campaigns and optimization. Sorry, out of breath, just finished my workout, but clean and optimization of campaigns. So you have to clean up your account. We see all the time 50% of wasted ad spend. This is ad spend that is leading to 0 orders, and they're spending about half their budget on that. It should be below 25%. You're never going to eliminate wasted ad spend. It's always going to be there. You have to reduce it. And that's what the first thing we do with every account. And you can do this by downloading your search term report and then just cleaning it up. Second thing, if you're not using audiences yet, you are behind. Audiences came out earlier this year. It actually came out last year, but most people have access to it now. But if you go through an agency like ours, we have access to a wider array of audience, including my favorite audience, which is targeting the top 10% of shoppers with my campaigns. So we make these campaigns and we bid higher for those top 10% of shoppers. So 16 million shoppers, which is the top 10% on Amazon, accounts for half the sales, but they account for 1/3 of the spend. Think about that. 16 million shoppers have half the sales and only 1/3 of the spend. So when you target these people, it lowers your ACoS and increases your conversion rate because they buy more and they click less. And so that has been huge for our clients. We've seen reductions in ACoS by about 10% and conversion rates increase by about 5% just by targeting those clients with our campaigns. The campaigns still go after everybody else, but we bid higher for those clients. That's how it works. So number 1, clean up your campaigns. Number 2, audiences. And then finally, number 3, you have to focus off Amazon. I've been preaching this for 10 years, my perpetual sales machine strategy. Google ad to a blog post that's problem aware over to Amazon. Is it dead yet with ChatGPT? No, it's not even close to dead. We see it work every day. So Google ad to a problem aware blog over to your product. Also doing things like TikTok, Facebook. I think the number 1 opportunity for gold right now is opening up a TikTok shop, because when you do TikTok ads, they're cheap, number 1, and it's the Wild West right now, but they're really, really cheap ads. And then number 2, it actually builds your Amazon presence as well. So you may be getting sales on TikTok shop. They may not be converting that well from a ROAS standpoint. However, you're getting an overflow to Amazon. I guarantee most of the people that are buying are still buying on Amazon, not on TikTok. So those are the 3 things you have to be doing going into 2026 in order to be successful on Amazon. You can't just rely on Amazon PPC.